Hello everyone, welcome to FresherRank. If you are a fresher contemplating how to build a strong resume despite lacking work experience, you are in the right place. The reality is that every professional has once started with zero experience, and companies are aware of this. What recruiters generally seek in freshers are skills, potential, and the right attitude. Let's explore how you can create an impactful resume even without prior job experience. First and foremost, begin with a compelling summary. Move away from lengthy objectives and aim for a concise professional summary about yourself. For instance, you might consider a statement like, motivated graduate with strong analytical and communication skills, seeking an opportunity to contribute and grow in a dynamic organization. This gives recruiters a swift overview of who you are without any fluff. Next, emphasize your skills. In the absence of job experience, your skills become your greatest assets. Highlight both your technical skills, such as proficiency in software tools relevant to your field, as well as soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Skills like data analysis, Excel, and PowerPoint should not be overlooked, as these are often critical in many roles. The third step is to include any internships or academic projects. Even if your experience comes from a college project, it still counts and is valuable. Discuss what the project entailed and detail your contributions to it. This showcases your practical knowledge and ability to learn, which is essential for freshers. Following that, add any certifications or courses you have completed. Online certifications from platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or Google can enhance your resume significantly. They demonstrate your proactive nature and eagerness to learn, which can be appealing to potential employers. It's equally important to maintain a simple and professional format for your resume. Use a clean layout with clear headings and keep the content ideally to one page. Avoid unnecessary graphics and lengthy paragraphs that could distract from your qualifications. One crucial piece of advice: always customize your resume according to the job role you are applying for. Sending the same generic resume to every job application can diminish your chances of standing out. Tailoring your resume to reflect how your skills align with the specific role is vital. In conclusion, remember that a potent resume does not hinge on years of experience. Rather, it hinges on your ability to clearly present your skills and potential to potential employers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to FresherRank for more insightful career guidance tailored for freshers. Thank you for watching, and be sure to catch our next video for more tips on navigating your career path.